How to attach a folder in Outlook Mail. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can attach folder in Outlook email. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type outlook.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Outlook Mail. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now when you click on this new mail option right here and write the name of the recipient in this to section, insert option from the top right and select attached file, click on this browse this computer and there from here if you select a folder, you will not be able to add this folder or attach this folder to your Outlook mail. It is because Outlook doesn't allow you to directly attach a folder to an email. However, you can achieve this by compressing the folder into a zip file and then attaching the zip file to your email. Here are the steps you can follow to do it. First of all, open your gallery or the documents and from here find the folder you would like to attach in the Outlook mail. Here right click on it and from these options here you can click on compress to zip file. Once you select this option, this will create a zip file of the folder in the same location. Now after that, open your Microsoft Outlook. Now here you can attach that zip file. Click on this attach file and then click on browse this computer. Once you do so, now you can select this zip file and click on this open button. Then if your file is too large, it will give you two options whether to upload in a drive or attach as a copy. You can click on this attach as a copy option and then you can see the folder has been attached to your email. Now you can just click on the send button here and send this email with the folder. Now you can go and click on this send items button right here and when you click on it, there you will find an email that you have attached a folder in it. So in this way you can attach folder on Outlook mail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.